All right, guys, welcome back to class again. Today is Thursday, April 9th. Okay, so we're going to do some more activities with you today. But today's theme is benefits, okay, the benefits of plants. So if you remember from circle time, okay, we talked about how we can eat them, okay, in fruits or in flowers, okay? So we have a lot of different stuff that way. So if you look, these pictures have a tomato, an apple, and a banana on them, okay, that we all eat that are plants that grow. Okay, on this one, there is an artichoke, there's broccoli, and there's cauliflower, okay? And there's lots of different examples that maybe aren't even up here, okay, that we eat. So one benefit from plants is it gives us food, okay? Another benefit from plants is we've talked about how they breathe in carbon dioxide and they breathe out oxygen, okay? So what we need to live is we need the oxygen. So we breathe in oxygen, we breathe out carbon dioxide. So another benefit of plants is it gives us air to breathe. Okay, another benefit that Mr. Matt sees is they're very pretty to look at. Okay, so I love looking at different flowers or trees or other plants. Okay, another benefit is that at least for Mr. Matt, I like to play and watch soccer. Okay, so it's the grass that grows, it's the field that we play on. So there's lots of different benefits, okay, from having plants. Okay, and our activity today is going to be you get to draw a picture of a plant that benefits you. So it says at the top of our page, it says, my favorite plant that benefits me is. Okay, now Mr. Matt could say, oh man, I really like grass because grass is a plant, but maybe Mr. Matt does a little bit more. So I'm going to start off by drawing some dirt at the bottom of mine. Okay, so I have a brown crayon to do that, but you can be super creative and do however you want, okay? And then maybe I draw some grass on top of that. Okay, so I have my other one, and I draw some grass. Now remember, guys, your plant does not have to look like Mr. Matt's. This is your favorite plant, not Mr. Matt's. So I'm going to draw mine, but you can draw whatever you want, okay? So now I'm going to draw a flower coming out of here. So I've got my stem to my flower that's going to grow out of the grass. Okay, now I want some flowers to be on my plant. Or some leaves to be on my plant, not flowers. Silly Mr. Matt. Okay, so we've got our leaves. Okay, and then maybe Mr. Matt draws where the seeds grow, so I'm going to draw a yellow circle in the middle of it. And then I'm going to draw the different petals to my flower. Okay, and then I can color those in. All right. Okay, and I have a picture of my favorite plant that benefits me. So our plants benefit us in lots of different ways, guys. So maybe there's a different way you can come up with, but that is our first activity for today.
Okay, guys, for our second activity, we are going to be joining each letter to the picture with the same beginning sound. So for A goes ah, ah, ah. And let's look at this one. Watermelon, wah. Does that match? No. Let's try this one. Pineapple. Puh, puh, puh. Does that one match? No. What about this one? The strawberry. Does that one match? No. What about the banana? The buh, buh, buh. No. What about the apple? Ah, ah. That one does match with the A. So we're going to just do a line right down to the apple. Okay, now let's do our second one. Our B goes buh, buh, buh. Let's see this one. The watermelon, the wah, wah. That doesn't match. What about the pineapple, the puh, puh? No. The strawberry, the s. Doesn't match. What about the banana, the buh, buh, buh? With the B, it does match. So we're going to just do a line right down to there. Okay, our P goes puh, puh. Let's see. The pineapple goes puh, puh. Let's do a line to that one. Okay, now our S. Let's see the strawberry, those strawberry matches. The S. Okay, now our last one. The W goes wah, wah. With the watermelon goes wah. So let's draw a line to that one too. There you go. That was our second activity.
All right, guys, our next activity is counting, okay? So we don't really have anything. You're just going to see how high you can count. So Mr. Matt's only going to count to 20 because I could probably count for a long time and I don't want to take up all your time. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so Mr. Matt can count to 20. Now what I want you to do is I want to see how high you can count. Okay, so I'm going to give you a second to be able to count as high as you can. All right, maybe if you're an older kid, you can count higher than 20. All right, so ready, set, go. Yeah, you're doing awesome, guys. You're doing so good. All right, good job. You guys can count so high. So the next thing I want you to do is now I want you to go show your mommies and daddies how high you can count. And when you show them, maybe you can have them text Miss Sarah and they can tell her how high you can count. So hopefully you can count super duper high, guys, because I believe in you. You're super duper smart. Now remember, your other activity for today is to go and look at and observe your plant that should be keeping on growing, okay? So if you need to, go check out the video on that stuff, okay? But remember to look at your plant. But thank you for coming to class today, guys. Hopefully you have a lot of fun doing your activities.